Welcome to this video. In this video, you're going to learn how you can set up Google Analytics 4 on your site. For example, your WordPress site. And how you can use it to increase traffic to your site by using the site search. If this is your first time of watching my video, I make videos on blogging tips, SEO, and how to make money online. So subscribe to this channel to get notification whenever I make new videos. So back to the video on setting up Google Analytics. But before I show you how to set up Google Analytics, I would like to give you an overview of what I'm going to do on this video. So first of all, I'm going to set up Google Analytics for a site. After setting it up, then I will set up site search on Google Analytics. Site search is the data that shows what users are searching for in a site. So this captures everything that a user is searching for on a site. Then after setting it up, from the data that has been collected by Google Analytics, I'll use it to write optimized articles or optimized posts for my site. Then after writing it, this is what this article is going to do. After writing it based on what the data I collected from this site search, I'm going to use it to write article. Then after that, this will help to reduce the bounce rate on your site. For example, if a user search for a particular something initially and it's not available on the site, the user will move away from the site. But once that article is made available, when they search for that particular keyword again and they find the article, it will make them to stay more on the site, thereby helping your site to rank high on search engine by reducing the bounce rate. Then the second thing is, after writing the article and the article gets indexed, what will happen is this article will help you to get traffic from search engine like Google, Bing, and other search engines. So this is how Google Analytics is going to help you to increase the traffic to your website. So having known that, let's get started with the video. So you have to go to Google Analytics. If you don't have Google Analytics, you create a Google Analytics account. Then after you've created the account, go to this settings icon at the bottom of the Google Analytics. Click on it. Then after you've clicked on it, you have two options here, either to create an account or create a property. But I'm interested in creating a property. That's a property is for a site. So click on create property. So at this point, you're going to add the name of your site. Property name is going to be the name of your site, or any other name you think that will best suit the property name. Then you scroll down. You can change the reporting time zone of your country. So I'm going to select Nigeria. Then for currency, you can change it to your country currency. If you don't see your country currency, you can leave it to US dollar. Then after that, click on next. Then select industry category. So the industry category is dependent on your blog niche or your site niche. So for this site, I'm going to select, let me see the one to select that best suits that site. For this site, I will select other business activity. I think that's what best suits that site. So after that, I'll click on business size click on the one that best suits your site. Then for this place, make sure you click on this measure data across multiple devices or platforms, and also this. Then the remaining is optional. So I think I'm good to go. So scroll down and click on create. Then click on web. At this point, you're going to add the URL of your site. Then stream name, it can also be the name of your site. And after that, click on create stream. So the next thing to do is to copy a code that you're going to paste on your site. You can do that in two ways: by using plugin if you are using WordPress, or you can do it manually. If you're using any other platform other than WordPress, click on this, choose another, then select any of the platform you are using where you want to paste the code, or where you want to install Google Analytics code on. But for this video, I'm going to click on install manually. I like to install it manually, so click on install manually, then copy this code, then go to your WordPress site or any other site you are using. This code is going to be pasted on the header of your site. So I'm going to go to the site I want to paste it on. For WordPress site, make sure you install headers and footers plugin. Once you install it and activate it, go to the plugin. Under scripts in header, click inside the box and paste the code inside. And after that, scroll down and click on save changes. Once you've done that, you have successfully set up Google Analytics for your site. So the next thing we have to do is to set up site search. So to set up site search, go back to Google Analytics. Then click on this explore. So you're going to click on blank. But before I click on blank, if you just install Google Analytics on your site, if you click on it or you set up site search, it might not work. Usually, after setting up my Google Analytics on my site, or adding Google Analytics code on my site, I leave it to the next day before I can set up site search for my site. So I have already added Google Analytics code, as you have seen, and also I've waited more than 12 hours before I can do this. So having done that, click on blank. Click on blank, then under dimension, click on this plus icon, then search for site search term. Then click on the box and import. Then under merit, click on the plus icon and search for event count. This is event count. Then click on it and also click import. Then this search term drag it to rows, then the event count, scroll down and drag it to values. So this is it. I have successfully created search term for this site. So whenever a user comes into this site and search for something, it will reflect here. Google Analytics will pick it up and show it at this point. So let me show you an example of what search term can do. Let me take you a site where I've already set it up and it's working perfectly. So this is an example of what I just set up now. This is a movie site I manage. So whenever users come, so all these things you are seeing there is what users search for when they come to this site. They are searching for this movie, this TV series. Everything is displaying there. It's even up to 500. Then this event count is the number of times users are searched for this particular movie or this particular topic. So what I do is I go to the top. This is series. There's no movie called series. They are searching for series. What I do is I go to the top of this table. Detective has 23. All Queen's Men has 22. What I do is I create a post on this. Starting from the top. I create a post on this and publish it. So whenever a user comes in to this site, they'll be able to find this post or this movie. So that is how to set up Google Analytics 4 on your WordPress site, and also how to install or set up site search. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video, and if you need my link building services or on-page SEO services, check the description of this video. You see a link to the services I mentioned. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.